Hey guys, Miguel Gomez here with Lowtec, and today we are starting our under $50 gaming headset roundup. In this video, we're unboxing the SteelSeries Arctis 1. Alright guys, so the SteelSeries is up first, and as we can see, it is compatible with the PC, Switch, Xbox, PS4, so that pretty much means it has a 3.5mm jack that is pretty much universal. On this side of the box, it looks like it actually comes with the PC adapter, which is really nice, and a detachable cable. So all this is a little bit of bogus. So it's saying best gaming headset, but in small font it says Arctis Pro plus game DAC, not the Arctis 1. Also, from the makers of the best gaming headset, obviously they made the best gaming headset big and bold, so when you're walking down a store, you read that. Anyways, let's get started. Lots of marketing here. Lots of them trying to convince you that it's the best. So as we can see, it comes with a nice flexible wire. That's actually really nice. Alright, this is all that is included in the box. We get that adapter from single mini jack to microphone and headset. I do like that it's a single cable and then what tees off at the end. And the microphone should just connect like that. Easy, super flexible. You do get some controls on the left ear cup, and that is mic mute and volume up and down. You do get a bit of a design in the ear cup, and the foam padding seems super soft. That bodes well for comfort. Alright, so let's get into these SteelSeries Arctis 1s. So far, they're the only ones with a removable microphone, which is, I like that. 2, it comes with a shorter cable off the headset, which I think is really good for mobile use or for console use, because you have the controller right here. You don't really need a long cable. Let's plug them in and see how they sound. Ooh. Now that's actually a really good seal around the ear. No monitoring through the headset, which is fine. Not bad. Alright, so the initial feel of these SteelSeries is super comfortable. The headband is a little tight, so if you have a wider head, that might be uncomfortable, but they are steel, so they should be pretty durable. Alright guys, so this is the SteelSeries' mic. I'm not sure how it sounds, I'll have to play this back, but it does seem less sensitive than the other ones we've tested so far. Maybe that means that it'll do better in a situation where, like, you're really excited, you're really hyped, and you're screaming into it. But so far, I like the comfort. They're pretty lightweight. Alright, so for initial build quality, the SteelSeries is a lot of plastic. It's very plasticky, but they feel solid. They're not the lightest headphones in the group, but they feel solid. The headband is thin, but it's well padded. Yeah, I'm gonna give these a 7. No, let's give them an 8 out of 10. Alright, so for packaging, I'm gonna give them, I don't know, a 6. Not amazing, not terrible. They were definitely more protected than the MPOWs, for sure. Accessories, I'm gonna give these an 8 because they do come with the removable mic. I know it's not really part of the accessories, but I'm gonna throw it in there. So at $50, the SteelSeries are on the upper end of the scale for this test, but the sound kind of replicates that, kind of mimics that, because the bass is decent, definitely not lacking, but the highs are a lot more prevalent than in some of the other choices. So I'm gonna give these probably an 8, around 8. Comfort, for my size head, they're very comfortable. They do feel a little bit tight, so I'm gonna give these a 7. but I could definitely see myself wearing these for a long time. They didn't seem like they would get too hot with the microfiber ear cups. And the microphone, you'll have to decide for yourself. Appearance, this is definitely a strong point for the SteelSeries because you can remove the mic. They're very plain, very almost classy looking headphones. They're not anything special, they're not anything crazy, but they're just a nice solid headset that looks like you could wear them every day. So I'm gonna give these a 7. And keep listening to music.